stocks.
All right, guys, let's leave it right there. You know, it's all the rage. That's right. We're talking about the Caitlyn Jenner cover on Vanity Fair. So move over, Kim, because Caitlyn, she did indeed break the internet. More than 2 million followers right now, 1 million just after 4 hours. So what does it mean for the markets? Well, a lot of companies associated with that magazine cover are publicly traded, including Twitter. So we'll find out. Well, let's ask if it's a buy or sell here. Twitter, a buy? I mean, when you can attract 2 million people to sign up for something in 24 hours, there's got to be a way to monetize that.
Yeah, exactly. And Twitter, with more people on Twitter and following Twitter, will attract more advertising dollars, more e-commerce opportunities, and therefore the stock will go up. And even if in a perception sense, the stock will go up.
But the stock looks a little raggedy right now. Why?
Look, it is a disruptive technology. And as an investor, that's something you're looking for in this market. There are tons of disruptive technologies. Twitter just needs to execute. How can it capitalize on this? But this is a great opportunity for a lot of businesses.
Listen, how are they going to become profitable, though? I think that's the question. Still, they haven't figured out. Right. I think investors want to see that, and their time frame for figuring that out as the days go on, it gets smaller and smaller. The CEO has a lot of pressure on him, and he has to make a decision.
And Charles, I guarantee nobody joined Twitter yesterday just so they could sit there and follow Caitlyn Jenner. This was people that were probably already on.
The bottom line is they took action. No one's going to tune into no one bought a TV probably today just to watch this show. I mean, though I wish they did. But the idea is, though, if you can get people to take action on your platform, 2 million, if there was a way to make them buy something.
Which is exactly what Pinterest actually announced today with their blue pins. I think this is a great thing. In fact, I'm going, why have they not been doing this all along? One of the most frustrating things about social media is how do I connect directly to the dollar? Now you've got these blue pins. They figured out Twitter has got to catch up real quickly.
We went through this phenomenon in the late 90s where it used to be eyeballs. How many eyeballs could you get? Right. Some companies grew to become mountains out of that, and some disappeared. And so the issue is, can you take this great disruptive technology and make it a profitable business model?
And the difference now, Jim, is that people aren't buying it. Listen, Groupon came out with their own valuation metrics and tried to pull one over on the investors. People said, come on, guys, you know, imaginary farm animals are one thing, imaginary metrics are another. And to your point, Twitter's been under pressure. I bought it at the big dip at 30. I had it at 50. I could have taken it. I didn't. But they do have to find a way. I don't know what the blue pen thing is all about, but they do have to find a way.
And they have to demonstrate it and convince investors that it's not only successful socially, but it's a profitable business.
Caitlyn Jenner's reality show is going to debut sometime soon on E! I think they're owned by Comcast. I'm saying it probably will set records, at least out of the gate. Will that help Comcast stock?
Oh, absolutely, because content is king, and Comcast really does need as much content as possible. Bingo for them.
Scotty, you're sort of a reality TV maven.
Yes. I live a reality show.
Are we about to jump the shark on all of these things?
I think people are getting tired of it, to be honest with you. I think if you need real reality, just look at 2016 election. That's a real reality show with much more drama, I guarantee, than what you're going to see on Jenner's, debut show.
I would love to have a camera follow Hillary so we know what the heck has really gone on, because these press conferences, the rare ones we get, not doing it for me. Thanks a lot, guys. Hey, by the way,